Over 4,000 years, the pyramids of Giza have stood as one of the greatest mysteries on Earth. But modern archaeology and engineering have revealed a story far more remarkable than myth. Around 2560 BC, the Egyptian pharaoh Khufu commanded the construction of the Great Pyramid, a structure so precise that its four sides align almost perfectly with the cardinal points of the compass. The builders were not slaves, but skilled workers, engineers, and laborers, tens of thousands of them, who lived in purpose-built villages near the construction site. Ancient papyrus scrolls discovered in 2013, the oldest ever found, describe in detail how massive limestone blocks weighing up to 80 tons were quarried from nearby sites and transported using wooden sledges pulled over wet sand, which reduced friction and allowed teams of men to move stones with remarkable efficiency. Ramps, levers, and an advanced understanding of mathematics guided every stone into place with extraordinary accuracy. Workers were organized into teams, fed, housed, and cared for by the state. A workforce driven not by chains, but by civic pride and devotion to their pharaoh. Nearly 2.3 million stone blocks were stacked over an estimated 20 years, rising 481 feet into the desert sky. The pyramids of Giza were not built by mystery or magic. They were built by human genius, organization, and an unwavering will to touch eternity.